Let us now do the pricing of a bond with the help of an example. I am sure every one of you is totally clear about how to do the pricing of a bond, how to do the valuation of a bond. And I am sure you must be very clear in your mind, सेम मेथड है जो आपने इक्विटी वैल्यूएशन के लिए किया, सेम मेथड है. वहाँ भी आपने कैश फ्लो निकाला, यहाँ भी आपको कैश फ्लो लेना है. वहाँ भी आपने डिस्काउंटिंग किया, यहाँ भी आपको डिस्काउंटिंग करना है. एंड दैट्स इट. लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. सो here is a small case for all of you. You can see it on the screen. So please find out, Ankur, please find out the value of this bond based on the information which is given on the screen. मेरे ख्याल से आपको 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए. It should not take you more than 3 minutes. And your time starts now. Very simple. चलो मैं थोड़ा आसान कर देता हूँ आपके लिए. सो आई एम गिविंग यू द टेबल ऑल्सो हियर. सो यूज दिस टेबल एंड फाइंड आउट price of the bond is given to you on the screen. Three minutes is the time that you have, and I am sure all of you will finish it much before 3 minutes. Please tell me once you are ready. How much it is, Ankur?
It is 960.51.
960.51. Okay. How much it is, Puneet? And you are right.
960, हाँ ये आया था 960.5 भी आया है.
Absolutely. तो आपने देखा that you have been able to calculate the bond value without any problem. तो एक चीज अपनी मेमोरी में डाल दीजिए. Put one thing in your memory, all of you, and what you should put in your memory. Put in your memory that valuation of bonds is much simpler than the valuation of equity. And why valuation of bond is much simpler than the valuation of equity? Because in case of valuation of equity, the cash flows have infinity. And whereas in case of valuation of security, fixed income security or a bond, there is no infinity. There is a fixed period. So you do not have to worry about finding out the terminal value and so on and so forth. You just need to find out the cash flow of on the security. Discount rate will be given to you in the case. Using that discount rate, discount the cash flows, total the present value, and that will be the value of the bond.